How to buy Robux on Roblox. Roblox lets us buy outfits, game passes, accessories, and special abilities in Roblox. So if we do not know the correct way to buy it, we might waste our money or fail the purchase. So let's buy Robux the safely and step by step. So we can go to roblox.com for that. If you're on a laptop or desktop, you can just go over to roblox.com, or you can even head over to Roblox application on your mobile device and follow up the similar process. Now from here, we can directly look out for the Roblox option or the Roblox icon here or this Roblox option, any of them. Click on it and head over to the Buy Robux page here. And here we'll be finding different packages available. So we can select up a Robux package. So we have the most popular right now, and we even have some discounts available right now. You can grab it up. We have different packages available. For $4.99, we have 500 Robux this time. So you can enjoy up to 25% more Robux. This offer is going on right now. You can grab it up if you want. But for now, if you want to go ahead and buy Robux, you can find this offers available and click on one of them, for example this, and we can choose a payment method. So we have a bunch of payment methods available here, such as debit, credit card, PayPal, gift card, etc. So you can select one of those, and once you have selected one of those payment method, we need to go on with the process of providing in details. So for Visa card, we need to provide in our email, our card information, the expiration date, CVC, etc. Even your card holder name, your country reason, and click on this pay option and confirm the payment. You can just go over and do so. Or we can buy Roblox gift card as well. Sometimes you can go over and buy it up, and we can head over to roblox.com/redeem. So type in roblox.com/redeem and hit enter, and you will be taken to the redeem page. You can just go over and add in the code, and here click on redeem option, and the Roblox with the balance will be added to your account very easily. And that's it. Apart from that, you can buy Roblox Premium as well directly to get monthly Roblox, which allows us free monthly Roblox. Premium also gives us bonus Roblox on purchases, and you can cancel anytime from the settings as well. But you can just go over and follow this method, and once you buy in Roblox, you can just go and customize your avatar, use premium game items, support game creators, enjoy the full Roblox experience, and that's it. So that's how we basically buy Roblox safely and easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.